I've been away way too long, but I'm home again long after I had done what I'd done. What's become of them? I thought their souls were gone. Something's wrong, so I need to put an end to everyone. 2, 3, 4.
5 nights, 5 innocent lives I took before their time. It's alright, I'll be fine, even though they died. A part of them survived, I'll make them unalive. It's alright, I'll be fine, safe inside. We are but machines, but we breathe life into a growing home full of new friends. Not the end, only blood that's flowing here is in our Father. He's the author of the wonderland. He made us into what we become. 2, 3, 5 lives, thought that they were mine. I can't believe my eyes. It's alright, I'll be fine. Running out of time, I think that I can find a place where I can hide. It's alright, I'll be fine, safe inside.
He is here, I recognize him anywhere. That purplish figure was bigger and quicker than me. And then I thought I was dreaming. He looked like a demon, and I remember bleeding and screaming and thinking nobody could hear me. Oh, what he did to me, he's gonna die. The others agree, he needs to die. He'll never be free until he dies.
5 lives gone before their time. Now there's a skating mine. It's alright, I'll be fine. Not sure I survived. I don't think that I died. I only have a life. It's alright, I'll be fine. Step inside. La 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 la. It's alright, I'll be fine. La 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 yeah yeah yeah. It's alright, I'll be fine. Step inside.
Stuck in my own trap, bones are cracked as my lungs collapse. Remember